today we have a helper in our kitchen. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
Jack's mom is a teacher, so she's not able to be at home all the time. So Jack's coming to hang out with us. So today, a little treat. It's Friday. What does this look like, guys? Sugar. Okay, you don't want to dump that one in? Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Shake it. Ooh, good job.
That's big one.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Let's have another one.
More big one.
Another big one.
Yeah, it's gonna be big. It's gonna be big.
We are going to make, what are we going to make, Hudson? Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah.
Okay, Jack gets to dump this one in.
Why?
Just because it's Jack's turn to dump one in.
I want to dump this.
Ooh. Good job, guys. Okay.
No more.
No more of that. Nope. Who wants to hold the scoop first?
My turn.
You're going to squeeze it? Okay. Pour it into here. So sugar and corn syrup and all that other lovely goodness.
Help me.
Help you? You bet, buddy. You got to tip it up a little bit more. Ooh, squeeze it out.
Ooh, eat out.
I'm hoping we have enough between the two different corn syrups. Uh-oh.
What happened?
I think we're running low. Should we use the other one? Okay, can somebody hold this for me?
Me.
Hold her steady. You gonna hold that one? Good job. Woo, look at it all. Good job, guys. All right, flip it over. We gotta fill it up again.
We filled it up.
Yep, we gotta fill it up again. I think we're almost out of that one. So we're gonna use the white corn syrup. Hopefully it doesn't make too much of a difference. Can you turn it over so we can fill it up again?
Yes.
Yeah? You wanna dump the butter in, Hudson?
Yeah. No, I got some of it.
Ooh! We're gonna overflow it a bit because the other one wasn't quite full. Good job. All right. So Jack hold it, or Hudson hold it. You want to scoop it out, make sure it all came out, Hudson? Use the orange end.
Oh, this one?
Yep, use the orange part to scoop it out. There you go. Good job.
This is kind of silly.
It's kind of silly?
Yeah.
Why is it silly?
Because I'm borrowing this.
Okay. And then I think we need to add the butter too.
Then the peanut butter?
The butter part. Let's check the recipe, guys.
No.
No?
Yeah.
You don't think so?
Yeah. No.
In the saucepan, combine. We got brown sugar, corn
Yeah.
syrup. Oh, we need the peanut butter and the butter.
Yeah.
All right, who's scooping out the peanut butter? Get the orange spatula. You're gonna hold it.
I want half some.
Okay, you scoop it out. You guys can lick the dish after. Scoop it all out first. There you go.
All out.
Yep, all out.
That's right.
Okay, just keep scooping, Hudson.
What? All out?
Yeah.
More.
All out.
That is on.
No, please.
What?
Because we need to put most of the peanut butter in the pan. Good job. You getting it? Good job. Oh, we're getting there. Oops. That's okay.
I'll bring it.
Okay, scoop the rest out, Hudson. No, you gotta finish scooping, please. Here. Hoo-ah!
Big one.
A big one, yeah.
Ooh, another big one.
Okay.
We can't have them.
Which one of you wants the cup and which one of you wants this to lick?
Me. Me.
You get this one. Here, you gotta hold it. There you go. Okay. trick to the baking is having it all pre-measured. That's why the cooking shows make everything look so easy. And it does help with kids sometimes too. So. Yeah?
We get a peanut butter sometimes.
Yeah?
A peanut butter.
Are you getting all peanut buttery? You guys ready to mix it with the Rice Krispie treats?
Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah, we are!
All right. You ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Big one.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Like,
This pot is very hot. So.
a watermelon.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that?
Does that look good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it have some?
It's very hot still. Right now,
Yeah.
we need to mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix some more and mix some more.
Some more, make some more, make some more. Make more.
And then are we gonna, and then you guys are gonna have to squish it into the pan. Are you guys good at squishing? Yeah? Are you guys good at squishing?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're good squishers? All right. Hey, Mac.
Mike, just the board not hot.
No? What temperature is the bowl? Oh, are you cooling it down? Okay. We need the pan that's up there behind Hudson. Can you pass us the pan?
There you go.
That's the parchment paper. Don't lose that.
I got it.
You got that one? Okay.
Peter, have that?
Not yet. Not yet. Okay.
Okay.
You guys ready to do some squishing?
Yes.
Okay. You've got the orange one, right, Jack?
Yeah.
I'm going to give Hudson this blue one here.
Why?
Because you got to squish it all down into the pan. Okay?
Oh.
Squish away. Here you go, Hudson. Squish, squish, squish. Good job. There you go. Good squishing. Good squishing. Use the flat side, it'll work better. There you go, yep. You lay it sideways like this. Here, turn it like that. Same for you. Turn it like that. There. There you go.
Might I have some?
Squish, squish, squish.
I'm good squishing.
Squish.
Do you have some?
Not yet. Not yet, guys.
One. Oh my goodness.
You think so?
I'm trying to eat the bud. But she's flipping it over. Why can't eat it?
No.
Why?
You guys can each have a little scoop once we're kind of done squishing, okay?
A little gray one?
Little bit.
Little bit.
Yeah. Oh, good job, Jack. Here we go. All right.
Where's yours?
There's a little bite for you. Here, let me see this one. Hold your spoon. Take your spatula.
Why?
No, take your blue one. Jack. Already got this one. And then there's a little bite for Jack also. You take that one. Okay? So now this has to go in the fridge for a little while.
Why?
Okay? Because it's got to cool off. And then we can put the chocolate on top later. Okay?
Chocolate. Good chocolate.
So we use the really heaping scoop of peanut butter because the recipe calls for peanut butter chips. I don't have any. But I did have crunchy peanut butter. So we used that as a substitute and just added a little extra. So now it's got to cool for half an hour, and we'll wash up, and then we'll come back and put the chocolate on it later.
Yes.
Good helping, guys.
It's a chocolate